This project had a couple of different problems. During the rainy season, the washout of the walking paths was happening. There was also a problem with the general public roaming around the forest and not taking a direct path through the forest. So Marin County came up with an idea to make these paths, and we came in and installed 96 helical piers in certain locations so they could walk over creek beds or through the trees safely without damaging the natural habitat around.
Because the surface soils are moving or are soft, they needed some way to anchor those elevated platforms and bridges to something solid. We refer to that as a load-bearing strata. So we drill a helical pier down into the ground. In this case, they're mostly around 10 feet until we hit this load-bearing strata. And then we create something sticking up out of the ground, fastened to a load-bearing strata that they can build off of. So they might pour concrete on top of that in the case of a bridge, or they might just put timbers on top of that with decking in the case of the elevated platforms.
The safety procedures that we're taking here, along with all of our safety procedures nationwide on all of our commercial projects, are proper PPE, hard hats, vests, boots, pants, along with all of our certifications. All the guys are certified to install the helical piers. They've got certifications for the equipment to install the piers. We've got CPR certification. We've got OSHA 30. Safety is a big deal for us here at Groundworks.
So they decided and engineered some elevated walking paths through the marshy areas and some bridges over the deeper areas so that the park could be accessible throughout the entire year. Thanks to these efforts, visitors can now enjoy the park more fully, while also helping to protect the delicate greenery and endangered animal species that call it home.